Hey guys, I'm Kyle with Lone Peak. We're here at the Moore Expo and we're showing off our new Lone Peak camper. If you guys aren't new to this thing, it's basically a wedge camper. Comes standard with a ton of different features. So we have locking side access doors that open with a single handle. There's dual weather stripping everywhere to keep the elements out. Some of the standard features are a 4-inch mattress that I'll show you in a second. One of the really cool things about this is that we have a bunch of pass-through space. So most wedge campers, the bed you have to push out of the way or remove panels. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So we actually have 30 inches of space at the end of the camper so that you can stand up in and get out of the elements. And then you can actually push the bed out of the way to get even more room. So I'll show you that in just a second. Let me show you a couple different accessories we have for this thing. We have these things called gear vaults that are optional accessories. There's even a table that drops down from the backside so you can prep food if you're inside of the camper. This is an accessory called Juice Box, and it's basically a lighting controller that turns on light bars inside of the tent and also a tailgate light. So we have a lot of different lighting accessories for this. Go ahead and follow me inside if you can. Another accessory is the bed ladder. So it makes it really easy to get up inside of the bed, but the bed pushes out of the way on gas struts. So if the weather is bad, like yesterday it was here, it was dumping, you can stay out of the elements inside of the camper. So we're making these for a ton of different mid-size and full-size trucks. Go check out the website, lonepeakoverland.com. Retailing for $6,000, 11 different accessories you can add. We have a show special going on right now. So go to the website, fill out our contact form, and you'll actually get the same show special giving you a free accessory.